Alright, ladies and gents, just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to do this week's Scarlet Letter assignment. I'm going in as my alter ego, Mr. Sycophant Kissup. So here I am on my home page. First thing I do, I go to my calendar, I look for upcoming assignments, and I see over here that the shared reading for Scarlet Letter chapters 3 and 4 is going to be due this Thursday. So I click on that, select view item, and then here I have it. I have the actual assignment here. Now there's two things you want to do in here. First one is you're going to download a copy of the Scarlet Letter. This is an important thing to do so that you can actually have a copy of it. I'm in Explorer right now, so it asks if it wants me to open it. And I'm going to tell it yes. And you will get a document that looks a lot like this. Now this is very large, and I choose to go ahead and make it a bit smaller so it's a bit easier to view. But this is the entire book right here. I'll give you a quick little hint. If you want to make it a bit easier to look at, you go to Page Display under View and select the 2-page view. Once you're in here, you can go on down to the contents page, table of contents, and again it's chapters 3 and 4. So if you click on chapter 3, it will just take you right to that actual document and you can read it here. The nice thing about this is your own copy. You can go ahead and use it. You can use bookmarks on here. You can actually even put little sticky notes with notices. You can use the highlight feature and do a bunch of other things like that. So that's just doing the reading. You get that piece right in there. Now the next thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go ahead and open up the reading guide. There's a reading guide in here for Scarlet Letter chapters 3 and 4. Again, I'm in Explorer, so it just automatically asks me to open. I'm going to make it a little bit easier to look at here. And this is a piece. Now this is a little bit like the last one you guys saw, but it's I'm going to make you submit it. I'm going to be mean that way. You can't just press submit and go. This is actually better because both you and your parents with this type of a document can go in and look at your answers. If you did something or forgot something, you can simply go ahead and resubmit. First thing you do obviously is you're going to put in your name. Oops, forgot to take off cap lock. Kiss up. And I guess technically if I'm an 11th grader, then I'm my own advisor. It's a little bit scary. But you can simply go ahead and toggle from one to the next. The instructions are all in here. You're going to be looking for quotes while at the same time making inferences about what those different quotes mean. Sorry about that. That's my dog being a little bit obnoxious. But this is for both chapters. And excuse me for 1 second. You guys, stop it. It's for both chapters. So you can go on in here and answer everything you need to. And then when you are done, this is the part that's important, and some of you guys get a little bit confused about. When you are all done and you have everything in here, you go up here to Save As. And Save As is important because it's going to show you exactly where you're putting it. Now the title is all fine in there, but it's a good idea to make darn sure you know where it goes. So I like to put things on my desktop. It's just a little harder to lose things on your desktop. And you go ahead and save it. You can get rid of this piece. You go back into the assignment. Here I am back on the assignment. And you submit it. It's as easy as 3.14. You select the file option. I'm on my desktop. And I'm going to go ahead and find that assignment. Where is it? There it is. Select it. Give it a second to finish uploading. And submit it. Once you've submitted it, you're good to go. Now again, the nice thing about this is this allows you to get in here and alter things. You can actually come in, and if you're not sure if this is what you wanted, you can actually go in here and take a look and see what it is you submitted. So you see I got my name and everything there, but I go, oh my gosh, I forgot to answer any of the questions. So you can see it, I can see it, and then the nice thing is, if you need to, you can simply come up here and resubmit it after doing it again. Alrighty, ladies and gents, that's everything I have for you today. Hope you've had a good weekend.